Eric Muadh, Muadh.com. Let's say if somebody wanted to trade this instrument, for the month it is up already 53%. Off the highs here at about 28.50, somewhere in that range. Actually the high is 29. And let's say you wanted to trade this. A couple of things to consider in my opinion. Take a look at the main instrument, UNG. Take a look at the monthly. So the monthly for UNG continues to trade below 30.9, which means that it is still bearish. Alright, so that gives you some reason why you might suspect that KOLD might bounce short term. Take a look at the other one here, KOLD continues to show its monthly RSI above 69.1. So keep in mind these numbers are pretty much interchangeable depending on where you are looking at the chart. Above 69.1 is bullish, below 30.9 is bearish. So here we see another reason why a similar ETF to DGAZ could actually be moving higher, because the other ETF KOLD is above 69.1. And so let's take a look at DGAZ again. And what I want to take a look at here is the daily. I'm just going to draw a simple line, actually two lines. Number one is this line here at about 61.8. So at about 61.8 on the daily is where it is right now, seemingly showing support, suggesting that this is an area where it might start bouncing. If you take a look at this line, it's been resistance during this period when the stock was struggling to maintain its highs, and it's only after it finally cleared that level that the stock has done well. So after it has held above this level generally, this period, which goes back to this move here, that all took place as the stock has been using 61.8 for support. You can see support here, double bottom support here, double bottom support here. Now this support was for these lows, and then this one here was for these lows here, and a move higher. And even here we can see uniform activity below 61.8 and back above it for the entry there for a nice move higher. And now we are seeing uniform support on that line, which again happens to be at about 61.8. So anyone who's looking to trade this can have a reason or an excuse why they can use this for an entry. Also, you can see the line connecting RSI lows on the daily. If you extend that line, there's another reason why somewhere around here, as long as the stock can maintain above that line of support and also the line we drew at 61.8, as long as the stock can hold above that level, it might suggest that there is a swing trade to the upside. Couple that with the hourly chart, and we just draw a simple line. I would call it somewhere around here. You can see all this move. The move off the lows began on the line. The move off the lows here began on the line here, and now we've touched the same line and we are starting to build. All to say that if somebody is looking for a way to trade this for a swing trade, it is always a good thing to make sure that the charts confirm that. And I see a good reason here, as long as 61.8 thereabouts is holding support, and as long as RSI lows line is holding, there might be a trade to the upside. Eric Muadh, Muadh.com. There is your swing idea. Good luck, peace, and blessings. EACS.